Changing the color of a sprite is pretty simple. Here I am going to select a sprite, let's say a butterfly. Let me have a background to make it look more beautiful. Let me select a forest. Now to change the color of the sprite, you need to go to looks and from the looks select change color by effect 25. So it will change the color of the sprite whenever I click on this block. You can clear the effect by searching the clear effect, graphic effects from the look code. So here I will make a drag and drop the clear graphic effect. Let me check it. So when I click on it, it will clear the graphic effect. You can also change the costume of your sprite. Costume will display the different costumes that a sprite have. Now let me run this in a forever loop by making a wait of certain second. Let's say 0.33. Now when I run it by adding an event, let's say when flag click, now you will see it is changing the color. Try it out by yourself. What you are going to do next? Take a sprite and do it.